Welcome to Everything Currency. This is a show where we talk about everything crypto and mo. I'm your host Jay, and today I want to talk to you guys a little bit about these charts. I want to look at the Bitcoin dominance chart. I want to also look at the Bitcoin market cap chart to see where we are. We're having some resistance. Also, I want to talk to you guys about two coins from my list, Origin Trail and Kalen Network. And I want to talk to you about Kalen because I want to talk to you about that good old price entry, and I want to talk to you about Origin Trail because it's been going crazy lately and people are saying, hey, that token has been taken off. I like it. Do you think it's too late to get in? And I'm going to tell you why I don't think it is. So if you're excited about that, like the video, subscribe to the channel. If you're new here, throw your favorite gem down in the comment box and I'll take a look at it. So I have a long list of gems that you guys have given me in my comment box: FTM, PPPay, or Orion, Build, bunch of coins. Now, some of them suck, some of them are good, so I'm going to be making that video pretty soon. Just been diving into those. There's a bunch of them. But yeah, let's get right into it. Did I say like the video, subscribe to the channel? Yeah, do that. First things first, Bitcoin right now sitting 58 is the high for the day, so I don't really care about that. I wanted to look at this. This is the market cap of Bitcoin. You see this pink line right here, this $1.8 trillion is the line that we need to cross. It's also the resistance that we just hit, and we're not passing it quite yet. So once it passes over this, we can expect that Bitcoin will continue up. Down here on the TDI, we're in the green, and on the RSI, we're looking clear to do whatever we want, down or up. And I always look at this, and some people don't really understand it, but we look at this to tell us if it is a good time to start having entries into altcoins. We don't want to just go doing things all willy-nilly. We gonna get in trouble doing that. So looking at the Bitcoin dominance is telling us couple things right now. So first we had this big old descending whatever this was, and then it went out, hit right here at about 72, and then now it is coming back down. As you guys know, for me, the big day that we're waiting for is for these altcoins to pass Bitcoin on the flipping of all the altcoins. It's not a big deal, but it is a big deal because it's going to be the first time, not the first time that happened, but it's just going to be pretty cool. Right here at 46%, I believe that's where we were. Don't even know what that is. Never mind that. So waiting for this Bitcoin dominance has been going up. So we're seeing it a little bit on the coins in the market. We can see that the market is a little bit red today. We are down 1.8%. But yeah, still looking like a go for the altcoins right now. So we're having support on this previous resistance right here. Now if this just continues sideways, then we're gonna have a triangle coming in here pretty soon. Also, I wanted to show you guys my Bitcoin prediction chart really quick because that thing is still holding up on point. So here's the Bitcoin prediction chart, and look at this, man. Look at this, coming right up here to where we wanted it to. We have this line right here. This thing makes trading so easy when I can just have something like this. Now, it's following along these lines. Now, this means we might have some dippage next month in March, but after that, you can see it starts taking back off. Now, it doesn't follow it like to a T, but you can see the green is the prediction. Darken this up. I'll make it red. The red is the prediction, and you can see the price has been following it pretty well, starting especially along this area. So this will put us at, you know, 275,000 by June, and I think that's possible just based on all the companies that might start buying Bitcoin because they might start following Tesla, and that's all over the world. Talked about that in my last video. So the token that I want to talk to you guys about right now is Kalen. So I made a video about Kalen. I said, yo, I'm excited, I'm ready to get this coin, but I was saying, wait a little bit, let's see what's going to happen with this price. Price went to about 189, but the mechanism was made for the price to come down. So with that, the price came down after the pre-sale, and it settled in at around it was back here around $1 something, around 80 cents to about $1.20. That's where the price has been for the last couple of days. So for me, for entry, I'm thinking that, you know what, hey, today's price action in between $1.12 and $1.49 is looking pretty good for me anyway, in order to get some of this coin. Not too bad. I still think this coin has a lot of room to run, with the market cap being only $70 million. Max supply at 1 billion, so it's not too much. But I want to see more of these coins into circulation. Sorry, I want to see more of these coins come into circulation, so we can get that going. But nonetheless, I picked up some Kalen at around 124 or something like that. So I'm still gonna get more. You know, as you guys know, I don't like to just go all in on these low cap gems. I'll find them early and just trickle into them over time. That way, if they take longer to pop or something like that, I don't have to worry about my money, and I don't have to, you know, I can stomach these dips and things like that if I just trickle into it, you know, a little bit at a time. Whatever's a little bit to you, that's a little bit. Go ahead and do it. And there's never too little, and there is too much. Never invest more than you can afford to lose. That's the only financial advice you'll get on this channel, because this channel is not for financial advice, just to bring you the info so you can make them informed decisions. So what is Kalen? Kalen is one of those cross-chain data-powered data economies. It's an Oracle thing. So I made a video about Kalen. If you want to check that up, I'll put it up in the cards. I didn't really want to talk about what's going on with it right now. Just wanted to talk about the entry and the price action. So for me, I'm buying Kalen anywhere between $1 and $2. That's going to be my strategy, because I think it's going to go higher than that. So if the market cap is only 70 million right now, can it get to 114 million? Because that's going to bring me a double in my money. Now, with that explained, let me take this second out to explain something real quick. This is what you want to look at right here: market cap, not price, and not circulating supply. Let me tell you why. If I were to buy $1 worth of Kalen right now at $70 market cap, it doesn't matter if the price is $722 or $149 or 0.000003. I still have $1 worth of Kalen. I want that dollar to double to $2. I need this market cap to go to 140. It does not matter what the price is. Okay, it doesn't. Not right now. It don't matter. When you start talking about circulating supply and all that, yeah, it little bit more, but market cap is where it's at. This is what you really want to pay attention to. You say, hey, look, if I'm going to invest $200 into a coin, and the coin costs 0.0000001, I'm probably going to get 1 billion tokens. If the coin costs $200, I'm going to get 1 token. If the market cap doubles, my pot, what I bought, that $200 doubles. Price don't matter to me. My pot matters to me. A lot of these tokens have billion token supplies for a reason. You know, not every token can survive being a low supply token. Some tokens, especially the NFT tokens like OMI, Rari, things like XRP, Cardano, there's a reason why they have millions and billions of tokens. So focus more on the amount in your wallet and try to double that with the market cap. Hey, there's 17 billion tokens. Okay, but can the market cap double? Because if the market cap can double, I can double my money. So I hope that wasn't confusing for some people, but that I had to explain that and get that out there. And just, it's something that's been on my mind. A lot of people have been asking me, and people have been saying, I'm not buying OMI because you know, there's so many tokens. Okay, $100 worth of tokens is going to get you 1 million tokens instead of 100 tokens. If the coin goes up 1,000x, the $100 goes up 1,000x. Does that make sense? I hope that's simple. It should be simple. Anyways, back to the video. TRAC. I wanted to talk to you guys about TRAC. Now that I ranted a little bit about token supply, TRAC. Right now, my thoughts on TRAC. Now, looking at this chart, this thing has been going crazy for the last like 6-7 days. It's been nothing but straight up, making me a little weary. As you guys know, I like to see a couple little reds in here. That makes sense, but we've been going straight up on TRAC, and there is a reason. So before we get into the reason, I want to just say, look, we have some something right here that's looking like support, so that is around 62 cents. But coming into this pitchfork, we can see that this blue line is our next area of resistance, and if it keeps traveling along, I think this is about the dollar point for TRAC. So I think TRAC could maybe get to about the dollar point. But backtracking, like I just said, my whole thing and why I'm so bullish on this is because of this market cap right here and what TRAC is doing. I believe that this market cap could go to $1 million. I mean, to $1 billion. I believe this can go to $1 billion. So I believe this price could 3x. What I'm saying is, if this can go to $1 billion, I could probably 3x my money. So here's why. Origin Trail, 22K followers on Twitter. What do? They are a supply chain ecosystem open source protocol. And the reason why the price has been taking off lately is because they finally opened up their Starfleet launch system, which is going to allow people to stake their TRAC. So we're seeing a lot of TRAC getting locked up, so that's actually pretty good. Now, if you want to stake your TRAC, there's only 100 million tokens that they're going to allow to be staked, and these 100 million, they get to split, I think, 5 million tokens. But right now it's getting close to being full. So if you have some TRAC and it's just sitting there burning a hole in your wallet, you might want to board the Starship. And this is going to be going on for the next 6 months only. So it's not going to be around for you to take advantage of whenever you want. So it's just a one-time, hey, let's get this thing going type of thing. Get some liquidity in the Starfleet system. So I want to go through the roadmap real quick and just let you guys know this project has been around since 2013. So to me, that's like you kind of have a little bit more solidification that they're not just going to exit scam. They've been working on it for, almost 10 years. But one of the things that's pretty cool as of right now is we're going into Q2, and there's a lot of things that already been happening in Q1, but I'm excited for some of the things happening in Q2, and specifically it's just Origin Trail v5.1 proposal. And coming right here, it says, this will be the Starfleet stage, will enable ultimate scalability in the consensus layer of Origin Trail, effectively enabling node operation on many chains at the same time. Finally, many chains at the same time. Let's go, TRAC. Anyways, I'm excited about this token. This video is getting long. Y'all jump in here and check this thing out. It's pretty dope to me, for as far as getting in. Yeah, I think we might have some resistance at $1 and we'll have a pullback, but I still think TRAC can easily 3x from here, and that is dope. So if you're newer to the game, concentrate on that market cap, concentrate on doubling your funds if you don't have a lot of funds. If you're old in the game and you have a bunch of funds that you're sitting on, then you might want to do something like stake your TRAC. So let me know what you guys think of the video. Like and subscribe, turn on post notifications. Shout out to the fam. Till next time, peace.